Ebube Agu na the new security outfit now where they don't tackle for insecurity in the region. And this one they come after they discuss the current insecurity challenges where they happen for Southeast. The governors that they don't come outside disclose the decision where they make, and this one they happen for Owerri, Imo State. For now where they are aware many things don't they happen for Imo. Where police station, they burn different police stations, people key, people do this one, many wahala. So now, according to the governors, they say they come together, come discuss this matter, and now the outcome be this. Ebube Agu, now the name of the new security outfit. So I beg, join me, make me watch the video.
Sunday today, 11th of April 2021. After exhaustive discussions on the current security challenges in Southeast, and with valuable contributions from participants at the first Southeast Security Summit in the world in 2021 today, it was resolved as follows: to strongly and unequivocally condemn terrorism and banditry in any part of Nigeria, particularly in Southeast. The meeting strongly condemns the burning of police stations, violent attacks on custodial centers with the unlawful release of inmates, and the killings including security personnel, natives, farmers, and herdsmen. That the 5 Southeast governors states are on the same page with the federal government on the issue of security challenges in the country. To this end, the meeting makes it absolutely clear that Southeast will stand resolutely with the federal government to fight terrorists and bandits to a standstill.
These people just they wake up. Since now they wake up, say una need security, una wait, una relax, finish. They burn different police stations, they kill different people, they burn different properties, they Fulani enter Igbo land, scatter. Una relax, una been dey dream. Now una don't wake up, say we need another security in our. No, continue to sleep. If you now want, I go bring the sheet add to the one that they use cover body. Wetin happen to ESN? Wetin happen to ESN? The Ebube Agu now, we una don't bring. Are they very sure? See, my people, una no say wisdom. You know they depart from my life. Are too wise. This Ebube Agu where they bring now to fight ESN. Are they very sure? If not, what is the need of another security when they know say they still get another one? Are they passive war? And this one like this. No, just imagine. Ebube Agu, ESN meets Ebube Agu inside bush. Or they don't turn them to suya. Because they go they fight, they no fit agree. Wetin be that way they talk? We cannot have 2 captains in one ship. It no dey possible. ESN don already dey there. You they bring another one where we don't even know where they come from. What is you people's mission? Wetin be their mission? Wetin be their mission? And una go tell me say una no dey perceive anything. Una no dey perceive danger as this thing dey like this. To all the Southeast governors, make una listen very well. The devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. I know what they talk. I know what I am talking in the time. Hey, the devil you know is better. See, ESN, it better me will manage like that. Make una leave our ESN like that too. Because this Ebube wetin we una don't bring now. I don't know wetin be una mission or their mission. Before you know now, another matter we go come the year. If only these people fit think well. Wisdom. I go send wisdom come on aside. If una fit think, if una fit wise up, una go understand with me say it better me will support and make ESN stronger. Now the problem with our politicians be this. You go get one thing, you no go take care of that thing very well, build them up, you go start to look for another thing. How will ESN fulfill all righteousness if wetin they call am, if una no dey give them the necessary equipment and things to fight? How they want fight this fight? Now una see for una mind now they are not compatible, they are not they are incompetent. So una need bring another one. Why una no dey invest on ESN first? Invest on the one you have. Because these ones, we know them already. We know why they are here. We know their mission and their purpose and their vision and everything. Now, the one way they bring, we don't know anything about this one. Tomorrow, now, we go, yes, say killing is going on. Killing. See, I don't trust these people. I don't trust these people. It go shock you. Now, this same Ebube, what. Now, they go start now. They attack their own people. Now, they go start they doing. Our politicians, all of them like this, all of them, they are just disgraceful elements to our Igbo people, both home and abroad. They just they disgrace everybody. They just they disgrace us. I don't just understand. Why una no fit just But it is well, oh. It is well. Now the only thing we have to talk. It is well. Which other thing I want to talk? Now don't sit down, get meeting. That meeting we wanna get. One and no fit just say, okay, this waiting we already get now, ESM. How we feel make this thing strong now? May we provide more weapons, may we start another training, may we expose them to new things. You understand? If it work, our politicians now, they don't get patience, they don't get eye safe because they know they see. They know they see. Any small thing, they just don't jump inside another thing. Before they finish that one, they jump inside another one. Before they finish that one, they don't jump inside another one. And like that, we just they move. Before you know, 1 month has gone, 2 months. That's how the years have been passing down. Then they never achieve one thing. Because they rush. They don't even get patience. I beg me, I know just they understand all this one what they do. I don't know how many of them they okay with this Ebube Agu, but me, I know they see them. As soon as they see me like this, my eye, you know they on top. Not only Ebube Agu, now Agu Ebube. Make una continue. Now here go day when una go start they bring me report say, Madam Aproko, it don't start oh. I go close my door for now because now nobody want hear me. But it is where I been make una help me share this video so that everybody go know say Ebube Agu don't rise. Now new outfit for security people now for Southeast. I beg share this video so that our people go know say now this thing they happen right now. And if you not get anything to comment, I pity you because this one involve all of us. So start to drop that comment for that comment section and subscribe so that you no go miss any matter like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.